Hi, yeah, I'm from New Jersey, about 10 minutes out of New York City. Well, I knew I needed treatment done, knew I needed new teeth, but having gone to a dentist by my house was very expensive, so I decided to look online, and Poland came up as a possible choice. My mouth was in bad shape. I was missing teeth, I had bridges that were falling apart, and root canals that had been in the States I had done, which were done incomplete. Coming here with Peter and his assistant Paul, I found that I got the best treatment. I was shown everything on the computer. I received a full mouth restoration. I was very nervous throughout the whole procedure because it was all new to me, and it had been so long since I had teeth in my mouth. But after seeing the teeth that I have now today, I'm more than satisfied. The honesty and the quality of work I received was beyond my imagination. I'm very, very pleased. The job came out fantastic. Look at my teeth. Wow. I put it on Facebook for many friends to see, and well, everybody likes and loves and tells me how handsome I am today, and I laugh a little bit, but well, maybe no Hollywood, but I enjoyed my trip in Poland and I had a very good experience. For sure, I would definitely recommend dental art to my friends. Already, friends have shown interest and possibly may already be coming to Poland to get their dental work done. Implant Art is the best.